सुध्वज कराने के लिए मंच की ओर अग्रसर।
निरीक्षण वाहन इस समय दर्शक दीर्घा के सामने से होकर गुजरता हुआ जहां दर्शकों द्वारा मुख्य स्वीकार किया। हेलो, पहली कार्टून का संचालन कर रहे हैं सब इंस्पेक्टर एग्जीक्यूटिव मोहम्मद अकरम।
పరిరక్షణ సిబ్బందికి అంటే హెల్త్ కేర్ వర్కర్స్ అందరికీ కోవిషీల్డ్ వ్యాక్సిన్ అందజేస్తున్నాం. మన బాలిక రక్షణ కోసం కోవిషీల్డ్ వ్యాక్సిన్ అపోహలు లేకుండా అందరూ వాటిని స్వీకరించాలి. గత సంవత్సర కాలంగా విఎన్జిఎస్ సిబ్బంది ఎనలేని సేవలు అప్రతిహతంగా అసమానంగా అందించడం సముచితం. వారిని గుర్తించడం యాజమాన్యానికి ఎనలేని గౌరవాన్ని ఇస్తుంది. యాజమాన్య సహకారానికి అభినందించాలి. కార్మికుల లోకం వారి కుటుంబ సభ్యులు సహకారాన్ని గౌరవించాలి.
సెంటర్ में ले जाइए.
నడవండి నడవండి భౌతిక దూరం పాటిస్తూ మాస్క్ దగ్గు కఫం ఆయాసం ఆసుపత్రి పాలయ్యాడు. తప్పదు 14 రోజులు ఏకాంతవాసం. భారీ మూల్యం ప్రాణాంతకం కావచ్చు. నిర్లక్ష్యం చేశామా ఎంతో భయంకరమైన వ్యాధి బాధపడతాం. రోగుని పరీక్షిస్తున్నారు. ఆ మహమ్మారి వదలడం లేదు. పట్టుకొని అది పీడిస్తోంది. ప్రాణంతో చలగడమాడుతుంది. అక్కడ చూడండి పరీక్షలు చేస్తున్నారు. కోవిడ్ పరీక్షలు ఆర్టీపీసీఆర్ అప్పుడప్పుడు ర్యాపిడ్ టెస్టులు కూడా చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ప్రతి మంగళవారము ప్రతి శుక్రవారము మన విఎస్జిహెచ్ ప్రాంగణంలో టెస్టులు జరుగుతాయి. అందరికీ వ్యాక్సిన్ అందుబాటులో తెచ్చిన తర్వాతనే మనం ఈ మాస్కులు తీయడం చేయాలి. అప్పటిదాకా వ్యాక్సిన్ తీసుకున్న మాస్క్ పాటించడం అలాగే శానిటైజర్ వాడడం దగ్గు కఫము ఆయాసము భయం లేకుండా మూర్ఖంగా తిరిగాడు మాస్క్ లేకుండా. అందుకే ప్రాణం మీదకి వచ్చింది. అయిందా ఆ మాస్క్ లేని వ్యక్తికి మహమ్మారి. అప్రమత్తత అజాగ్రత్తత ధరించండి.
Today is a historical day which marks the transition of our motherland to a sovereign, secure and democratic republic. It was a long journey of more than 2 decades from the conceptualization of the dream to be a free republic to its actual realization in the year 1950. On the eve of this 72nd Republic Day, it is indeed a pleasure to be with you all here. I extend my warm greetings to all the employees of RIUN and their family members on the occasion of this 72nd Republic Day. I also convey my Republic Day greetings to the various trade unions, Executive Association, SC and ST and OBC Association, groups, Skilled Mahila Samiti, CISF, Home Guards, principals, teachers and school children. My special greetings to the authorities at the Ministry of Steel, the state and central government authorities, the district administration, the print and electronic media, and the citizen of Visakhapatnam. My greetings to all our suppliers, customers, partners, stakeholders, and each one of our well-wishers who have been with us during these difficult times. This day is the most cherished in the history of our great nation, as it saw the culmination of the heroic struggle of an extraordinary generation of leaders and soldiers who left no stone unturned to overcome colonialism. The great sacrifices of these martyrs and patriotic leaders helped to establish the world's largest democracy. On this occasion, I join you in paying our humble respect to those great souls for their supreme sacrifices. Thanks to the pioneering spirits and foresightedness of such great leaders, India has emerged as a vibrant and glorious democracy respected by all. During the year 2020, the entire world was subjected to the most severe health crisis ever experienced in the last 100 years, the COVID-19 pandemic. To combat this battle, the medical and the public health community has been putting their best efforts to control the spread of this pandemic. RINL is not the exception. On behalf of the RINL fraternity, I take this great opportunity to express my sincere gratitude and appreciation for all the dedications and courage and selfless service rendered by the RINL COVID warriors in this difficult period. It's a matter of pride for RINL that the facilities are set up for managing COVID-19 at our hospital, that is VSGH, that were rated 5-star and ranked first in the district and second in the state, close to the team. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the entire RINL collective who have risen to the occasion in maintaining the safe operations during the peak occurrences of COVID-19. On behalf of the entire RINL collective, I would like to pay homage to the departed souls who succumbed to this deadly disease. I urge all the employees of RINL, their family members, and all those associated in the business of RINL to observe the guidelines as given by the government from time to time and remain vigilant always. Let us not be complacent and take this pandemic for granted. The world is a highly interconnected community and we can only win together. The pandemic has taught us that each one of our nation's actions affect the well-being of other persons. On this Republic Day, let us resolve to fight this pandemic together. I am extremely happy that the RINL collective has to work together to bring about a remarkable turnaround. We have started the new year on a positive note. We have crossed 2,100 crores sales turnover in December 2020 after a gap of 20 months, and we have achieved a net profit of 212 crores in December 20 after a gap of 29 months. This was possible because of the record production at all major production units and the buoyant market. The tempo of production augurs well for RINL. At this production level, our fixed cost component can be reduced drastically and we could be sustainable. However, there is a need of precaution here. Keeping the present market situation, let us try to resolve our differences and come back to our style of marketing or style of functioning at the marketing level so that we will be able to upkeep this tempo in the coming months. We have to continuously look for opportunities in every process of cost savings. Even a small savings of ₹1 translates to around 60 lakhs saving in a year, and the following initiatives, when they get absorbed into the system, will have a lasting effect on the company. Increasing the PCI, which probably is the buzzword, and at a 93 kg per ton of hot metal level, and we need this to jump up to around 125, a target which can be seen very easily. Optimize the coal blend based on the price trends. In the current financial year, we could achieve a savings of ₹250 per ton in the cost of sellable steel by coal blend optimization. I hope this trend would continue in the coming months also. Focusing on the increasing of power generation from auxiliary units, use of iron ore slag has increased to a level of 30% in iron ore mines. This has a potential of around ₹500 per ton saving. This is to be continued in future too. Maintain optimum inventory level in raw materials and semi-finished and finished products. Meticulous planning is required to achieve this. A word of caution for the present situation to the operational team that instead the minimum level of semis or the minimum level we have to maintain the inventory so that we will be able to sustain in this very difficult time. Commissioning of Coke 1 Battery 5 certainly has obviated the need to buy coke, and we should continue to push at around 400 ovens a day to sustain the current hot metal production. The fourth wheel plant at Raebareli is in a very advanced stage of commissioning and expected to be commissioned by February 2021. Central dispatcher is made fully operational, and railways have issued commercial notification in November 20. Revamp of GST of Central Machine 2 envisages to comply with the latest environmental norms which was taken up during the curtailed production period is nearing completion. Clearance was given to start the machine with 50% capacity on 30/12/2020. This was necessitated considering the importance to ramp up sinter production at the earliest to meet the hot metal requirement. My sincere appreciation to the project team which could stand by their words and stand by their commitment, and they could do that, and kudos to them. When domestic demand was subdued, we stepped up our exports by 141% to a level of 31,109 crores during the year up to December 2020. We crossed an export volume of 1 million tons for the first time in this company. The detailed and dedicated and sincere efforts of the RINL collective earned prestigious recognition also. This includes National Energy Conservation Award 2019 first prize, National Energy Leader Award after winning Excellent Energy Efficient Unit Awards in 2017, 18 and 2019 by CIE Coverage in Business Center. 3 Exhibition of Excellence and the Excellence of the Food Warriors. At the end, I will just say, I will conclude my speech by saying just, taking that inference from that, जो हिंदी में कहावत है, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, and with that attitude, let us move together, keeping behind all the differences, so that this company will put this company on the path of excellence. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. आपके शुभाशीष बच्चों व